Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday and we're in zone 5. We have a 3-layer cake. Our first layer is our routines. So you're going to get up in the morning first thing before the family and do your morning routine. You'll notice if you don't do this that you feel out of sorts. So do this for yourself. It's the first part of the day where you're taking care of you. It may seem like you're taking care of your home, but a lot of this is for you. So get up, make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, fix your hair, put on your clothes, put on some makeup, a little jewelry, put your pajamas away, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, make sure the bathroom looks nice, hang up your towel, go to the kitchen, empty the dishwasher. When you walked into the kitchen, didn't it look good if you did your evening routine? Yes, it did. I love walking into my kitchen every morning. Anyway, empty the dishwasher, start a cup of coffee or some breakfast. That's your morning routine. So that happens to you first, then you put your children through it, and they'll do their morning routine. Then the next routine is your laundry if you're staying home. Put in a load, and while that load is going, go through an inch of paper. If you're payroll, wait till you come home. So you're just going to do your morning routine for yourself, possibly your children if you have them, and then you're going to go off to work. When you come home, you're going to put in a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper. Inch by inch, you're getting through it. I know you are. Okay, then we have our fourth routine, which is our after dinner routine, which happens for all of us after dinner. And then our before bed routine for ourselves and our children. If you're exhausted, do yours first so you don't go to bed with a dirty face, etc. But if you're not so exhausted, let's get your kids taken care of so you have a little time to yourself and you can really calm down in this preparation for bed. Don't forget to check your planner. That reminds me I need to change my cover from Thanksgiving to Christmas. It's officially the Christmas season. So think about that. That's another thing. Start thinking about that. Now's the time. And you know what? Now's the time to start saving for next year's Christmas. So figure out how much you want to spend, divide it by 12 months, and that's how much per month you need to put in your, or you'd want to put in your savings account so that at this time of the year, you will have that lump sum and you can go shopping. Okay, hopefully you're somewhere near that this year. All right. Anyway, we're going to do the second thing next, which is our zone. We're in zone 5, but oh, it's Tuesday. It's a free day. We don't have a 3-layer cake. We've got a 2-layer cake. I fibbed. It's a 2-layer cake. So we've got our free day. So we don't do zone work today. And what else do we have normally? Our weekly home blessing hour. I mean, our basic weekly plan is that it's free day. So that's really it. You just have routines. Now, if you're working, it's possible that you might be taking the weekly home blessing hour and splitting that up over the 5 work days plus Saturday. So you might have to do one of those. That's okay, because on Saturday you'll thank me when all you have to do is strip your bed and wash your sheets. Okay? All right. So that's it for today. This is an easy peasy day. It's not a giveaway though, and it's not like you're not going to do something for yourself. You are going to do something for yourself. So take this time to have a little solitude, to reflect on how you feel about things, to plan, to make yourself happy, to go shopping. Maybe that doesn't make you happy. That doesn't make me happy. I like planning. That's my favorite thing to do. But, you know, if that's not something that's your deal, then polish your toenails, make them look pretty for the Christmas season, whatever. Do something for you. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.